In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear bumper reflector. In this video, you want to raise the vehicle up and support it safely so you can get underneath to undo the body clips. So we're going to remove this body clip and one more over there. I have these kind of body tools. So it pushes the actual center pin, grabs it, pulls it out, and you can pull the whole thing out. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a body pry tool. So in order to access this easier, I'm going to put a piece of wood in here so that we can really see and get our hand in there. See if we can jam it up in there so that it stays. There we go. So you'll see the two tabs on the back, how it is. You get, these tabs have these little push pins in here. So all we're going to do is, you can get a flathead screwdriver or a long pair of needle nose pliers. See if you can push up on that tab and push it through. Now with a body tool, we're just going to grab it and pull it right out. It doesn't matter if it breaks because we're replacing it. Now I'm just going to make sure there's no debris in there, clean it up, get some of those rocks and sand out. I'm going to line it up flat and give it a push till you hear click. Now we can see the two tabs have seated. Give it a quick little push, confirm it's not going to fall out. Remove our piece of wood and put our two clips back up. Hold the bumper cover up to the hole, push the tab in, push the center up. Do the same to the other side. If you need to, you can take the center piece out so that the actual plastic fingers go back into spot, line the pin up, lock it in. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.